Let's start with food. And my experience of this is that portion sizes are much bigger in the US than they are in the UK. And this is true of fast food places and also just general restaurants. Now, it says here that hamburgers have grown by 23% in the past 20 years, and soft drinks have increased in size by 52%. And I remember one of the first times that I visited the US, my family and I got a sandwich. We all got a sandwich. And I just couldn't believe the size of this sandwich. It was massive. And they had to put a toothpick in it to stop it from falling apart. That's a great phrasal verb. So they had to put a toothpick in it to stop it from falling apart so that it would stay together. And there was so much meat and lettuce and lots of mayonnaise on this sandwich. And a great way to explain this is portion size. So portion size means the amount of food you get on your plate when you order in a restaurant or even if you're cooking at home. So portion sizes in the US are much bigger than they are in the UK. Next on the list, in terms of how everything is bigger, is supermarkets or superstores. Now, in the US, stores like Walmart and Target are huge. And they sell everything that you would ever need. So they have groceries, they have food, they have clothes, sporting goods, home stuff. Just anything you need is in this big store. And it takes forever to get around the entire store because they are so big. And it says here that US stores are on average twice the size of their European equivalents. So stores in the US on average are twice as big than they are in Europe and the UK.